Hi everyone, Jessica here. Today I'm going to take you through a 7-minute at-home ab workout. You're going to love it. And if you're looking for a great meal plan, I want you to check out the website below. It's got my plant-based superfood meal plan. It's been giving me amazing results, and I know it'll do the same for you. Now if you're ready, we're going to go ahead and begin the workout. Okay, let's go ahead and begin. We're going to go down to our elbows for 1 minute. We're going to scissor. So make sure you keep your core really nice and tight, and just keep those legs moving. Breathe. You should be feeling that burn in your lower core, your quads as well, especially if you keep the legs all the way straight. Notice that mines are not bending. We're already 30 seconds in, halfway there. Try to keep that core down, keep it engaged, tight. Only 15 more to go. You can do this. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's go down to our backs. We're gonna do one leg at a time. Up. We got 1 minute here, and then we switch to the other leg. Breathe. Last 30 seconds. Fifteen. 5, 4, 3, 2, and switch. Other leg, and go. Make sure you keep that core nice and long. Go all the way down to the ground and then right back up. Doing great. Keep working. There we go. We're halfway there. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Awesome. Okay, here's what I want you to do next. For 1 minute, we're gonna come up and down. Up and down. Make sure that as you're coming down, that lower back is staying really flat. You might only be able to come right here. That's okay. That's the most important part, to keep that lower back on the ground. That's how you protect it. So most of you will only be able to go right here. Or maybe even just here. That's fine too. But I do want you to keep working. I want you to push yourself. Remember, it's only 7 minutes. We're already at 4. Last 10 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Next, we're gonna go into crunch and hold. So right here, hold, and slow, slow, slow on the way down, and hold, really slow on the way down. I want you to try if you have your hands here. As long as your neck is not straining, you can have your legs out. I mean, your hands out, I mean. If that's causing strain on your neck, bring your hands back up. But the point is to hold it at that highest point and then go slow on the way down. And hold it and slow on the way down. We're almost there. We only have 2 more exercises after this. Great work. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great work. Okay, here's what I want you to do next. You're going to be up here. When your legs out and in. Out and in. We have 1 minute right here. Really feel that stretch. Come in, out, and in. Great work. Halfway there. Breathe. Last 15. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, staying right here. If you can't bring your feet up and twist, this is your last one. So give it your all. If it's hard to keep your balance, you can bring the legs down. Make sure you're twisting all the way, all the way. Touch with both hands on each side. Touch and touch and touch. Remember, this is the last thing. Right here, last 30 seconds. Really give it your all. Work for it. Abs don't come easy. We gotta put in the work. Put in the work. This is it. Last 15 seconds, you can do this. Last 10. We can do anything for 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You did so amazing. I know I felt that workout. It really burned, so make sure that if you liked it, leave me a thumbs up. Put something in the comments, let me know what you thought about it. And if you're looking to follow a great meal plan that's gonna give you amazing results just like mine, make sure that you check out the website below for my plant-based superfood meal plan. Take care.